Whisker World. So, kay Ina Dross. Meron siyang polyguard, business card. Ito na yung very cute na look at that. Postcard na cat. Ito yung tinutulungan cat. Ano ba? Diba? And then the art. Tuxedo cat. Ang cute. Ang kanyang art. I will succeed because I am insane. Yes, we'll all succeed. And ano pang meron? Yung art print. Very pretty. Of course, what's the purpose of snail mail pag walang letter? Whisker World, dear reader, welcome to Whisker World. Hello, how are you? Nakakakilig. Thank you, Ina Dross. Support yung kanyang snail mail. Mag-20k sa aking snail mail. Very pretty. So, my witness, no, is cats. So, ito lang. I'm so kilig with these extras.